Some teams like to generate documentation from their codes to make sure it's always correct and in sync with the code. Some teams don't like to do that. Some teams have an API design first approach where they start by designing an API and say OpenAPI, for example, reviewing it and getting approval and then developing from there. But teams that use that technique have to be sure that they're generating server stop code from the OpenAPI so that it's always consistent. Some teams have techniques where they have an OpenAPI validator in their runtime gateway to make sure that the gateway is validating traffic against the OpenAPI. Some teams use contract tests, provider-driven contract tests to make sure that there are tests running and comparing the test traffic with the OpenAPI document. So there are a variety of tools that teams can use, but again, teams have to look at their process and which tools and techniques work for them.